Want that 40? There you go.
Oh.
Come on, bud.
Oh. All right, we just need a minute. We need a moment for these little side bangs. Pony. Lilah, you're the most beautiful girl I ever saw.
Oh, thank you.
Taking one last stroll before the ice storm hits. Such a bummer. I'm not really ready for this to go. Look how beautiful it is back here. Hello. You're the cutest girlsie. Hi.
Hi. I can't do that.
Wait, you be careful, you little girlsie.
I just have my...
Are you okay? Are you okay? We're losing one. She's walking back up to the house because she stepped in the creek with her Ugg boots on, thinking she had her rain boots on. For Daisy. Look at this. This is real ice. Okay, ready? Oh my gosh. Ooh, that sound.
We won't.
With me. Ice skating.
Ice skating. Yay.
Nothing like Dakota in the snow. Okay, update on this room. This is the new ceiling in here. So that's now 15 feet. This is where the rock wall will go. It'll be kind of tucked in the corner here. So that's the new attic door. I don't know. I might actually loft this, like push it in. So it'll be like a little shelf ledge in time, but that's what I could do in the moment. So this just comes out on the new balcony with the new window. Look at that. It's amazing.